Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 29. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Start the part drawing. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. First, we analyze the diagram and decide the steps. At the start, we select the right side plane and draw a rectangular profile with a semicircle according to dimensions. Then extrude this up to given dimension. Next, we make this rectangular outer profile and extrude it. For this another solid, just mirror outer rectangular solid. Let's start modeling. Select the right side plane for the sketch. Take a center rectangle tool. Start drawing with the origin point in this direction. Like this. Enter the 28 mm width of the rectangle. If we calculate the total length, so we got 50 mm in length for the rectangle. Draw the circle of diameter 38 with the midpoint of the top line. Ignore to trimming intersecting entities. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Select only this part from the sketch for extruding. Select mid-plane option for extruding direction. Put the extruding value 75 mm. Select this face for the sketch. Take center rectangle tool. Start drawing from the center point of the arc. Enter the twice 34 mm width of the rectangle. Because we draw a rectangle at the middle of the profile, and enter 62 mm length for the rectangle. Take line tool and joint two midpoints of the vertical lines. Like this. Draw the circle with the same diameter 38 with the midpoint of the line. Ignore to trimming intersecting entities. We don't waste time on that. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Here multiple profiles are detected, because we didn't trim them as a single profile. Now we go with Select Counters. We required these two profiles to extrude. Switch the direction and put the extrude value 6 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Select this recent extrude feature. We just mirror for this solid with the plane axis. Select Mirror tool from the Feature tab. Here we required one plane for the mirror axis. Drop down the part history and select the right plane. See the preview and click on OK. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.